All right. Good morning, AP students, or I guess good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, February 21st, and um, you guys are coming back from a 4-day weekend. You're coming back from finishing up Unit 2/3 test, which means hopefully over the 4-day weekend, you got some rest, but you also spent some of that time working on your MCQ corrections because you can do that at home where you can access the AP classroom. Tell me what went wrong, what's the correct answer, and why. And you can just send that over to Charlie/Joy, although I think Charlie's the main person running the grading book system for tests, and he'll make sure to record all of your work completion. You, of course, could have also been working on your AP problem completions in Unit 2 and 3 workbook. And what we have today is we're starting up a new unit, Unit 4 on chemical reactions. One thing that you also got over the weekend was the access to the pre-lab for number 4 lab on types of reactions. We just gave it to you early because we wanted to give you that ample time, as it's always a little nerve-wracking when you have a new teacher, and I want to make sure that you guys have ample time to address questions in the moment. And Charlie and Joy are going to be such great explainers, so I'm sure they're going to give you ample time in class to address your questions. But yeah, so what does today look like? First and foremost, I should probably start it with this, but thank you to the sub, whoever is subbing for me. I really appreciate you. You guys will be learning from, I believe, Charlie today on chemical reactions and balancing, as well as more particulate diagram work. The big idea with balancing reactions is you will be applying the law of conservation of mass to determine the big numbers or the coefficients or the molar ratio of compounds, no longer individual atoms in a compound, but the entire compound relative to the reactants necessary to complete a chemical reaction. And balancing is a method. There are many ways that we can do it. I tend to do a very tedious version that I'm sure my AP problem walkthrough will demonstrate. Charlie and Joy might have other versions. If my other previous AP students like Keaton or Kevin are in the room, or Julian or Kyle, they might have different versions. The big idea, though, is whatever version that works for you. Make sure that you aren't taking too many shortcuts, because that can be a problem. And then, of course, particulate diagramming, how do we demonstrate that? There's going to be tons of workbook problems. Charlie and Joyce will have prepared several practice problems and will, of course, be prepared to answer any of your questions if you need more specific help. And then at the end of the day, you guys should be sure to complete the AP problems on video online at home. And Charlie should be loading up the recording of the lecture. I should have showed him by now how to do it on my website. And I think that's all I have for you for sub instructions for today. So best of luck. Sorry I can't be here, but you are in great hands between all my wonderful TAs, all my previous AP students, and of course, the wonderful adult in the room, the sub. So good luck, everybody. Have a great one. And of course, email me if you have any questions. I'll be out of reach during the day, but at nighttime, I will be available to you. So, hi, bye.